ma'am. Good morning, classmates. We are the group 1 and we are going to present our role playing all about how Filipinos celebrate their Christmas by using Filipino accent. I'm sorry. Let's start.
Dad, where do we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate Christmas because it's on the day of Jesus Christ was born. That's right. So after we eat, we go to church for Thanksgiving. Mom, there's someone knocking at the door. Okay, open the door. One, two, three, go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride along the golden sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride along the golden sleigh. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año, felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Some food. I can eat. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much, thank you.
Second verse now. Thank you.
Simple families celebrating their Christmas.
Oh, it's almost Christmas. I have to wake up my husband so that we can prepare for Christmas. My love, wake up. It's almost Christmas. My love. Merry Christmas, my love. Merry Christmas to my love. Come on, Pop, hurry up. We need to wake up our children so that we can celebrate Christmas together. Children, wake up. It's already Christmas. It's already Christmas. Yes, baby. It's already Christmas. You know what, Manilin? Every day is Christmas to our family.
Yeah, because we love each other and respect everybody.
Come on, everybody. Let's eat.
No space for you.
I Hey, Victoria, you don't want to go with us?
Have a nice trip. We still have time to pack all of your things. Are you sure? Okay. Don't forget to close all the doors and the windows so that no one will kidnap you, okay? Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye.
What are you laughing? You're laughing at me. Don't you think I'm a loser? Exactly 12 o'clock.
Kiriring, kiriring.
Mother? Merry Christmas na again! Merry Christmas, Mother!
Talk to you. What did you cook for Noche Buena? What? Why? Because brother and his wife went to Nueva Ecija. So, I don't need to prepare anything. Oh, I'm sorry for that. I'm alright, Mom. I can feel your love and presence even though you're not here. I love you, Mom. I love you too, baby girl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mom. Love you. Come here, Luigi. Knocking at my door? I supposed you're supposed to with your family. Because we want to celebrate Christmas with
We want the food!
This is my favorite. Make some yan. 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you guys. Thank you friends. This is my favorite, That's the end of our role playing. In our role playing.
Thank you for Meron! Where's my apple?
Uy! Sarap naman nun! Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We're speaking Tagalog here. I will not do that anymore. I will not speak Tagalog anymore. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're the sweet mother of mother. That's why I love you both. Aling mawala.
This is a good girl. lives with her brother and sister-in-law together with their children. Her mother works all abroad and her sister, while her other brother has his own life now. Her father passed away long time ago. Every month of December, she is longing to her family. She never had the chance to celebrate it with her complete family. One day, in the classroom,
Hey guys, what is your plan for this coming holiday?
I will go into Tagaytay with my mother and father in a restaurant.
Wow! We're going to
Oh, that's exciting.
Hey!
Hi! Where have you been?
I just paid my bill sa admin.
We're talking about our plan in Christmas. So as I said earlier, I will go to Tagaytay with my mother and father in a restaurant.
How about you?
Probably I don't have any plan.
Why?
Because my brother and his wife will go to province. The family of his wife lives. So I have a huge prediction that that would be boring. So I don't have the reason to celebrate